Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in previous class you learned Brave People lesson. Now I will give the notes, children. First main A. Choose the correct options by the symbol of tick. First one. Hundreds of years ago there were no. Option A. Ashramas. Option B. Schools. Option C. Gurukulas. Which one is the correct answer? Options B. Schools. Second one. Boys were sent to Gurukulas to option A. Play. Option B. Study. Option C. Both A and B. Which one is the correct? B. Study. Third one. The pupils had to live with their teacher in an option A school, option B institution, option C ashrama. Which one is the correct answer? Option C ashrama. Fourth one. The teacher was called option A Sir, B Lord, C Guru. Which one is the correct answer? Guru. B main. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Ashrama, Guru, horse riding, Ashrama, Aruni. First one. The boys in the ashrama used to share all the work. There were also horse riding and the use of bows and arrows. Third one. One such a boy was Aruni. Fourth one. He lived in the ashrama. Fifth one. The Guru hugged Aruni. C main. Write true for true, T for true and F for false statements. Aruni also obeyed his Guru. True. Second one. There was field around the school. True. Third one. The boy helps in the field. True. Fourth one. They would get water from a nearby ocean. False. Fifth one. There was no wall between the stream and the field. False. D main. Match the following. A column, B column. First one. He ran towards the field. Second one. Aruni decided to stop the water. Third one. He leaned against the crack. Fourth one. Soon the water stopped flowing in. Fifth one. The Guru ran to Aruni and used him. Okay, children. E main. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. Where were boys sent to study in the ancient times? In the olden days, the boys were sent to Gurukulas to study. Second one. What did the Guru teach in the ashrama? The Guru taught languages, mathematics and holy books. Third one. What happened when it rained heavily one day? When it rained heavily one day, the stream overflowed, the water gushed into the fields and destroyed the crops. Fourth one. What did the Guru ask the boys? The Guru asked the boys if anyone could go and repair the crack of the wall. Fifth one. How did Aruni finally stop the water? Aruni put mud in the crack, but water was carrying it all away. Finally, he leaned against the crack and stopped the water. Then, F may add the letters and write the words S, S-O-U-N-D sound, B, B-O-U-N-D bound. Third one, A-R, AROUND, around. GROUND, ground. FOUND, found. Boost your grammar. G-main. The following words are jumbled. Place the word in other proper order to make a complete sense. One has been done for you. Table legs as a 4. Correct it the sentence, children. A table has 4 legs. Second one, milk the give cow us. Make the correct sentence. The cow gives us milk. Third one, Tom to Agra yesterday went. Correct it sentence, children. Tom went to Agra yesterday. Next, children. Fourth one, wood of is chair this made. Correct it, children. The chair is made of wood. Fifth one, kites are paper made of. Kites are paper made of. Kites are made of paper. Here, see the picture carefully and solve the puzzle. Ashrama, Aruni, rain. Here, Ashrama, Aruni, rain. Here, see children, I mean. Then let us speak. Conversation. Rohan, really, Aruni was a great pupil. He did not think for his life. If he could not repair the wall, he would get a great loss as far as he could lose his life. Manish. Instantly, he is remembered with the great respect by all of us. We must be as Aruni. We ought to obey our teachers, elders, and parents. Continue your conversation. Next time to activity. The Guru asked the boys if anyone could go and repair the crack after police staff. Aruni agreed after police staff. Police staff after write the Aruni is the capital letter, because any name you write after the police staff in capital letter. He ran towards the field in police staff. Then the water was gushing through the crack with the great force. Full stop. This is the punctuation mark. Then after the here given the capital letter, after the full stop you write in capital. It was carrying away all the mud that Aruni was putting in the crack. Let us listen. Your teacher will read out the following words. Listen to him or carefully. Use the CL, CR, CHA, CRO. Click, clock, class, climb, cry, cream, crack, create, change, charge, change, chart, crock, crowd, crops, crow. Write a paragraph and brave people in your exercise book. Write down yourselves, children. Then draw a picture of ashrama and write 2 sentences about in the space provided. Write the picture, children, here also. Okay, children. Thank you, children.